Since I was a little boy, many, many years ago, in my first time going bowling, I've been waiting for the Professional Bowlers Association, or the PBA, to give me a call to invite me onto the tour. I thought I was that good. Well, as it turns out, they've never called. Until recently, they called because they heard about the Bowl for Big Shoulders Fund. They heard about how great you are at bowling, and well, maybe it's not just your scores, but it's because you do it for the children. For many years now, the Auxiliary Board has been coming together to raise funds through this event to help children, to give them scholarships. And really, that's the history of Big Shoulders Fund. For more than 30 years, we've been raising funds to give children access to quality, values-based schools and safe and structured environment across the city. In fact, it's 75 schools. And we're investing over $20 million each year to make those schools strong, safe, and effective. We couldn't do it without all of you. This event is part of it. You are bowling for the children. And if embarrassing myself is any indication of my tremendous gratitude, let this be an example of just that. I'll leave you with this thought. I'm the Rapper Reverend, and I'm here to say, bowling for the children is more than just okay. It provides scholarships and a path to prosperity. Sure, it's fun and enjoyable, but you are helping others philanthropically. While you are here tonight eating food and sipping vino, I'm even more impressed because you are totally para los niños. Thank you very much and have a great night.
Hello everyone, and thank you to everyone for being here tonight. My name is Pasquale Recchia, and I'm one of the co-chairs of Bowl for Big Shoulders with Chris Goldberg. We are so excited to have a sellout crowd here tonight at Tenpin to help us raise funds for our scholarship. Fingers crossed, it will be a record-breaking night. Just 12 years ago, there was a small group trying to spread the word about Big Shoulders and getting involved in the schools. Now we have grown to more than 230 members. They get involved in the schools, tutoring, mentoring, sitting on school boards, coaching, give back days, like where I am today, working on committees to advance the work we do and outreach to the community about the mission of Big Shoulders. Last school year, we gave scholarships to over 100 students. I invite you to join us and get involved by coming to our event, like our April Give Back Day. You could also join a committee, volunteer regularly in a school, and or joining our Big Shoulders Fund racing team for the Chicago Half Marathon or Chicago Marathon. You can learn more about getting involved on our website at bigshouldersfund.org, on Facebook, Twitter, or stopping by the marketing table.
I am Chris Gilbert, and I am one of the chairs of tonight's event. Have fun bowling, buy raffle tickets for amazing prizes, play Strikeout, and meet some fellow Big Shoulders Fund supporters. Strikeout will be held at 7:30 p.m. Please come to the front desk if you are participating. The raffle will end at 8:30 p.m., and all the contest winners will be announced and posted at 8:45 p.m. by checkout. Thanks again for coming, and have a great night.